So you're driving along and you decide you want to air out a little bit or up a little bit, and then you hit the switch and all of a sudden the air just keeps rushing out and your car keeps dropping down on one side, or the air keeps rushing in and keeps going up on one side. Probably the second one is the worst because you can blow a bag without realising it. But I'm going to show you what you need to have in your car so you don't get stuck on the side of the road with a flat airbag just because your manifold has got some dirt in it. So first thing you're going to need is I would get four push on to connect Schroeder valves. Some screws that will fit in your line, and usually some plumber's tape. Right, so let's say that this line here is not holding pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this line and I'm going to cap it off with a screw. Or if you've got a Schroeder valve, put a Schroeder valve on there. Now the other end of the line that goes to the bag, you're going to put the Schroeder valve on. Then what you're going to need to have in your car is an airline. Set up off your tank with tyre pressure. It's handy to have too, because you get a flat tyre on the side of the road, bang, you can just pump it up. So then what you're going to do is you're going to fill your tank up with air, because you would have had to drain it out to put your Schroeder valve on, and you're going to pump up your front bag. And this will stop it from either going down or keep going up. And you'll be able to get home.